Hi, and welcome to the short video announcing my new project called writingcalligraphy.com. I'm really proud of this project. This website is the result of practicing and studying calligraphy regularly since 2011 and sharing knowledge since 2014. I would like to show you the contents of the site and walk you through the structure of the website. So let's go. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now, and this is the homepage. In here, you have a section where you can access a free PDF file with a set of blank calligraphy guidelines and recommended materials. Then you will see that the site is divided in different sections. So the first section is learning calligraphy, and you will find out about all my courses. At the moment, 7. This is a page for introductory level knowledge for beginners, calligraphy basics, which covers many aspects of calligraphy and many common questions I have been asked by my students in the last decade, such as how can I get started? Can you learn calligraphy on your own? And how long does it take to learn calligraphy? This is a very popular one. How can I keep my letters straight? What is a slant to a slope? And if you select any of the topics, it will take you all the way here and you will have all the explanations for each topic. It's highly illustrative and you will find many additional videos and resources. If we go back to the main menu, you will find tutorials, calligraphy books that I recommend, also one section for my favorite calligraphy lectures. This is one of my favorite pages because it's really wonderful and visually very appealing. It's a calligraphy glossary, which is an explanation of common terms used in calligraphy and typography to explain different parts of the letter forms. It's very good to have a common understanding of the terminology so that when you hear these terms, you know what they are referring to. And here it's really in detail. So it goes through many different aspects of the calligraphy glossary. Then we have calligraphy associations. This is a section with a few associations, and if you're part of any that are not featuring here, please get in touch and I'll be featuring different ones because of course there are only a few and I'm sure there are hundreds and thousands of them. This section is about my trajectory and about this site and why I have built this site and what is the intention behind it. So you will find the information and all pictures of my calligraphy journey as well. You have my values and the custom services I also provide and my professional development. Then we go into the supplies section, which this is something I have been asked many times as well. And you will see, as in here, is divided by different topics. So nibs, pen holders, broad edge pens, brushes, inks and paints, paper, and so forth. On the frequently asked questions, you will find, of course, many questions that are really common and all my answers to these questions. If there is anything in here that hasn't been answered, you can totally get in touch and I will be happily answering any of the additional questions you might have. On the articles section, this section is called Never Stop Learning because it's one of my pillars of my professional practice. And in here you will find at the moment there are 6 or 7, actually 8, because I have just published 2 more articles. And one of a few of them are my personal journey, everything I've learned, how I use calligraphy as a mindful practice, and other related resources with typography, which in my opinion, typography is the younger cousin of calligraphy, and there are many things that are related. And finally, the contact page, where you can get in touch, and if you are looking for something I haven't specified on the site, I would love to hear from you. And of course, my calligraphy courses, which you will find all the information related to them. As you can see, currently 7 and private one-to-one tuitions, which is also available for calligraphy and lettering education. Excellent. I'm hoping you will jump on board and join me on this journey. And if you have any comments or questions, I would love to hear from you. So thank you very much for watching.